So old nails, set them aside, straighten them out, take the bend out of them. They make great hangers. So that's what I'm going to do right now is get these old nails straightened out, get some more hangers up, and then we can start organizing more. Maybe I should even talk about what we're going to organize. So the first thing I'm going to organize is these old bars. Now when you're working in the woods as a logger, if something's not cutting good, you really have to make adjustments right away and get back to work. You don't have time to figure out or to play with the chain, or you really have to get going and get back to work. So sometimes these could be good bars. They may need some TLC. So I went through the stack that my father had and over the years, and I pulled out what I thought were the best ones. So I'm going to gradually go through them, figure out which chain they go to, which chainsaw, and reuse them, because I'm only cutting firewood, so I don't need high productivity. I have time to sharpen the chain several times to get it correct, so I have time to kind of play around with them and get them right. And we salvaged some chain too, so there's probably something wrong with these chains, except for that one. That was brand new. But the other ones, but we'll figure out what it is and try to repair them. Sometimes it's a burr, sometimes it's just needs sharpening on one side more than the other, and try to even them out with rakers, and there's other options. But let's first get our nails up so we can hang them up.